Burned down bridges in the rear view haze, smoking my lungs, been counting the days. Tangled in silence, twisted in doubt, but I never learned how to drown it out. I built my truth on a fault line lie, watched it crack while the angels cried. But I won't break, no I won't bend, this is where the fall began. I rise from ashes and wire, sparks from the wreckage light my fire. I scream with thunder in my veins, no more running from the pain. I rise from ashes and wire, born again through smoke and fire. Ghosts in my head, yeah they still speak, but their voices are starting to sound weak. Chains I wore now rust away, I'm not the man I was yesterday. I bled in silence just to see the war was always inside me. But I won't kneel and I won't crawl, this is where I take it all. I rise from ashes and wire, sparks from the wreckage like my fire. I scream with thunder in my veins, no more running from the pain. I rise from ashes and wire, born again through smoke and fire. Let the sky fall, let the storm roar, I'm not afraid of the dark anymore. I'll stand on the edge with fists to the flame, 'cause I got nothing left but my name. I rise from ashes and wire, sparks from the wreckage light my fire. I scream with thunder in my veins, no more running from the pain. I rise from ashes and wire, born again through smoke and fire. Ashes and wire, that's how you make a fighter. That's how you make a fighter.